Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for watching. So today I'm going to bring to you this one brand makeup tutorial. I will be using Maybelline products only. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Alright guys, so right here we're going to start off with this nice clean face that I have. And I'm going to start off with this Master Primer Blur and Smoothing from Maybelline. I know I'm supposed to pat this into my skin, but I decided to use it all over my face because as you can see my face is being a little bit weird. I'm gonna rub that in. For eye primer, this is one of the only things that is not from Maybelline, is the concealer. It's from LA Girl. It is affordable though. It's in Warm Honey. It's the LA Girl Pro Concealer and I'm setting it with this Maybelline Master Fix Translucent Setting Powder on my eyelids. Now that that is done, I will be using the Total Temptations palette from Maybelline and I'm gonna go in with this golden kind of shade here with this small blending brush for my brow bone. Once I finish putting that color on my brow bone, I'm going to go in with this nice matte, like peachy brown kind of color, and I'm going to use that same blending brush from Morphe and I'm going to buff it right into my crease. I'm going to build this color up, guys, because it's a very soft color, so I'm going to slowly just build it up into my crease and a little bit high. Now that that's done, I'm going to take this Sigma blending brush and I'm going to take this brown shade right here and this black shade right there. These two shades, I'm going to mix them up and I'm going to put it on the outer part of my eye. I'm going to be building this color because, believe it or not, that black shade isn't as dark. This shimmery shade doesn't look shimmery in the camera, but this shimmery shade, I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to pat it onto my lids. I'm going to do the same thing on both sides of my lid, of my eyelid. Once that's done, I'm going to take that Sigma brush again and I'm going to just blend everything together, as you can see right here. Now that I'm done doing that, I'm going to take this highlighter shade. I'm going to take a small detailed brush from Sigma and I'm going to pop that right into the inner corner of my eye. I'm going to go in with this Maybelline brow pencil. I believe it's a crayon brow pencil. I have a love-hate relationship with this brow pencil. It's a good brow pencil, but because it is a crayon-like consistency, it's like it's almost drawing my brows on. I don't know if that makes sense. Like, I don't like that hard, harsh kind of brow look, but it does end up with the spoolie. It does soften it, so it's a good thing and a bad thing. So it's working out for me. It's pretty cool. I actually like it. I did my little happy brow dance. I was super happy with the way my brows came out. For eyeliner, this is my new favorite eyeliner from Maybelline. It's the Maybelline Master Precise Liner. I'm obsessed with this liner. It definitely took the place over my NYC liquid liner. Like, I bought 3 more of these. Like, that's how good these liners are. I've never had a pen liner that works so good like this one. So I'm super happy about that. For lashes, I'm going in with Total Temptations Maybelline Lash Mascara and these Ardell Wispie Lashes. These wispy lashes are very subtle. I didn't do anything crazy. I just wanted something nice and affordable in Drugstore. Once I finish putting that on, I pop those bad boys on. Now that they're on, I'm gonna go in with the Super Stay Maybelline foundation. Now this foundation, I did a review on it, and I kind of regret the review now because I feel like I didn't give the foundation a chance. I actually like the way the foundation settles into my skin. The foundation lasts literally all day. I've been using it lately a lot more. Again, I should have done like more of a whole day review instead of just like those 15-20 minutes that I had the foundation on. It's a really good foundation. I was actually pretty happy. It's matte. It stays in place. It doesn't move. It doesn't shift around or anything like that. It has a red undertone, which I'm not a fan of, but it does complement my complexion because I do have red undertones. For powder, I'm going in with the Fit Me from Maybelline. This powder, it's actually my first time using it. I love the way that it set my foundation, by the way. It's another thing too. The foundation, the primer helped out a lot. For concealer, I'm going with the LA Girl concealer. It's a very affordable concealer in Warm Honey, and I'm just trying to brighten up my dark circles because they're really dark and it's looking kind of crazy. So I'm using this Morphe Beauty Sponge. And again, I'm setting my under eyes using that Maybelline Fit Me in Deep. Just a little bit, nothing too crazy, just to set my under eyes. I'm noticing that Maybelline has been stepping up their game. Like, seriously guys, Maybelline is really, really good. Like, I'm actually liking a lot of their products. For blush, I'm going to use this shade right here that I actually used in our crease. Can't speak today, guys. But yeah, I'm using an Eco Tool powder brush. For highlighter, I'm using this Morphe fan brush, and you're gonna see my reaction to the highlighter. It's a really good highlighter, guys. It's very nice. It's very pretty. It's gold. Loving it. Not hating it. Not mad at it. Really good. I'm all for this highlighter, guys. They need to make more highlighters like this. It reminds me of the molten gold. Is that what it's called? Yeah, it's that one. For lips, I'm going in with this Maybelline lip pencil. I believe in Rich Chocolate, and their new Superstay Ink liquid lipsticks, and I have it in Poet. When I first put on the liquid lipstick, I was a bit like shocked because it was so like pigmented and bright. You're gonna see right here. Yeah, it was very pigmented. I thought I was gonna make me look ashy, but it really didn't. It looked really pretty on me. I was so super happy. It was a nice peachy tone of lipstick that I personally think that peachy tones don't really compliment me too much, but I really like the way it turns out, guys. And yeah, as you're gonna see here, I'm gonna actually, there you go. It's a really good, like, also that's very comfortable, that liquid lip. Definitely recommend it to everybody. The Master Fix setting spray, don't like the smell, but I do like the spray. Again, it's a super good spray. My makeup lasted the entire day, guys. And that is it. This is how I created this look. I hope you enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up and comment down below, and I'll see you next time. Bye, guys.